Welcome back. In this session, we're going to make version control simple and practical using Git inside Visual Studio Code. VS Code brings Git features directly into the editor, no terminal required. You can track changes as you write code, stage and commit with one click, compare versions side by side, push updates to GitHub instantly. This built-in workflow eliminates command line complexity and speeds up team collaboration. Basic workflow of Git is like below: 1. Edit code, 2. Stage changes, 3. Write commit message, 4. Commit, 5. Push to GitHub. This simple loop keeps your project clean, trackable, and easily restorable at any point in time. Before start working, make sure GitLens extension is already installed. This extension brings deep Git insights right inside VS Code, allowing you to view commit histories, authorship details, line blame, file comparisons, and branch insights. To begin tracking your project, open your folder in VS Code and you can see all files inside the Explore sidebar. You can change your source code as you want. Click the source control icon on the left. Select Initialize repository to turn the folder into a Git repository. Now, VS Code begins monitoring every change, additions, edits, deletions. You'll see any modified files listed here. Click the plus icon to stage changes and the minus icon if you need to unstage them. Once you've staged everything you want to include, type a meaningful commit message like init commit, then press commit. You now have a snapshot of your project's state saved in version history. To see what changed line by line, simply click the file name. VS Code opens a Diff Viewer showing your original code on one side and new edits on the other, highlighted for clarity. Branching allows you to experiment and add features without breaking stable code. Right now, we are in main branch. Click the branch name in the status bar, choose Create New Branch. In this case, I'm creating a branch name Test. Now, you can see Test branch is now active. To switch branches, select from the same menu and VS Code instantly updates your workspace. To sync your code with GitHub, simply sign in when VS Code prompts you. In this case, I have already connected with my GitHub account with valid credential. Now you can publish your local repo using Publish Branch right from the source control panel. Here, a prompt is showing to create GitHub repository. That name is same as your folder name, source code. Now you need to select the GitHub repository is public or private. I am selecting Publish to GitHub public repository bd*/source-code. Now your source code is successfully published on the GitHub repository, so you can check it from GitHub website. Here we have seen that our GitHub repository contains only one file that we are pushed from the test branch. Now, I would like to clone another GitHub repository to my local computer. Copy the HTTPS URL from GitHub repository page. Now, go to the VS Code window and press Ctrl+Shift+P, open the command palette. Type git clone. Paste the repository URL. Explore to your local computer to select a folder. Now, it will take some time to complete the cloning process. You can open the repository to a new window. After complete the process, you can see all source code are available to your local computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this tutorial and continue to the next lesson.